How do some people sound instantly confident in English, while you hesitate even when you know the words? What are they doing differently? It's not grammar, it's not accent. It's the words they use. Simple, smart, real world. And that's exactly what you'll get today. 20 essential English words broken into categories. These aren't big words, but once you know them, you'll feel the difference when you speak. One real word at a time. We'll be covering words, their meaning, pronunciation, and example sentences. At the end of this video, I'll also provide you one bonus tip. Category 1. Work life. Task. A piece of work to do. I finished my task before lunch. Deadline. Last date to finish something. The project deadline is next Monday. Feedback. Comments to help improve. My boss gave me helpful feedback. Meeting. A planned discussion. We have a team meeting at 10 a.m. Present. To show or explain something. I have to present my ideas tomorrow. Category 2. College life. Submit. To hand in. Assignment form. Please submit your assignment by Friday. Revise. To review or study again. I need to revise for the final exam. Enroll. To join a course or program. I enrolled in a new English course. Research. To find and study more. I'm doing research on climate change. Lecture. A class or formal talk. The lecture was about modern history. Category 3. Social life. Invite. To ask someone to join. I invited her to my birthday party. Share. To give part of something. He shared his food with me. Chat. To talk casually. Let's chat over coffee sometime. Suggest. To give an idea. Can you suggest a good movie? Agree. To have the same opinion. I agree with your opinion. Category 4. Self-growth. Learn. To gain knowledge. I want to learn a new language. Improve. To become better. She improved her writing skills. Try. To make an effort. Always try your best. Plan. To decide before doing. He planned his week carefully. Believe. To trust or have faith. Believe in yourself. Remember the bonus tip I talked about in the beginning? Here's it. Always use and start with simple words and make simple, easy sentences. Do not jump to heavy vocabulary at the beginning. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more English content. Until then, keep learning and practicing. Bye. Thank you.